Hello everyone, my name is Gabriela Fardosi. I am a student at EB University, majoring in Information System. Here I will explain what CRM and CM are. Okay, let's just listen to the explaining right. CRM is a business strategy that combines process, people, and technology. Help attract sales prospects, convert them into customers, and retain existing, satisfied, and loyal customers. The purpose of CRM is to find out as much as possible about how the need and behavior of customers to future provide an optimal service and maintain existing relationships. Because the key of the success of a business depends on how much we know about customers and meet their needs. It is difficult for a company to achieve and maintain leadership and profitability without the ongoing focus that can be placed on CRM. CRM spans many areas within an organization, including 1. Sales, 2. Customer service, 3. Marketing. Along with the rapid development of IT technology in Indonesia, which synergies universally, software as a service based on the cloud has become an advancement and a necessity for business people, where currently the use of the internet is a standard consumption among business people, a condition where you want something fast-paced, flexible, online update anytime and everywhere. This application is integrated with the cloud system with several features such as 1. Sales Cloud, able to maximize sales, increase revenue, productivity, and visibility in the business. 2. Service Cloud, transforming customer service and creating a good relationships with them. 3. Marketing Cloud, monitor and participate in social networks. 4. Salesforce Platform and App Change, creating innovation mobile and real-time social application on a platform that can be used by more than 100 customers. 5. Salesforce Cater, make business process in social terms, collaboration in real-time from anywhere, with high-tense applications that are easy, user-friendly, and website-based on cloud. It is a support for companies to increase return of investment or ROE. CRM is the largest software marketplace in the world and has increasingly proven to be the best technology asset a company can invest in. With the advantage that the market trend of called CRM software has been increasing over the years, and the ease of integration of CRM with other applications commonly used by business. CRM system help implementers deal with every aspect of their business cycle, which ultimately increases sales and marketing results, while helping them eat recording costs. There are several vendors on the market that offer CRM software that is specifically built from scratch to serve the special needs of various industries. Dedicated CRM software is available for industry verticals such as real estate, healthcare, insurance, financial service, media bureaus, hospitality, and more. Small business looking for a place to store information and make it accessible across multiple devices, or large business looking to manage customer interaction and focus on improving customer satisfaction. Customer relationship management system can be easily customized to meet the specific needs of business of any type and size. Startups, large companies, and verticals use customer relationship management software to enhance their sales, marketing, and customer support effort. There are three stages in the CRM system that must be carried out by every corporation. The following is an explanation. 1. Obtaining new customer or acquired. To be able to get new customers, you must make sure to provide confidence in terms of service to customer when buying and using your product. Then you can also promote the product by giving a good first impression to the customer. Later, customer will have more confidence in your company. 2. Adding value from customer or enhancement. There are two ways to improve relationship with customers, namely by upselling and cross-selling. For upselling itself is to offer the same product but have a much better quality. Meanwhile, cross-selling is a marketing strategy by offering complementary products to goods already owned by customer. 3. Retain customer or retain. To retain customer, you must provide usual service and application support, and also can encourage the credibility of the company you have. You should also take the time to listen to opinion or input from customers. For example, serving customer dissatisfaction about the product offered. The way the company can evaluate and improve its service system and application features. So that's it from the CRM explanation. Now we will continue to discuss about CCM. Currently, business competition is getting tougher in the era of globalization. As a consequence of the globalization process, the development of the business world will always be colored by changes that are increasingly open, complex, and competitive, both from the company's internal and external environment. Socioeconomic change like this product obstacle and challenge that must be faced. This requires every company to develop a business strategy in order to compete with other companies from various competition. The company aims to implement an effective and efficient process of producing goods or service to be distributed to customers. However, in reality, the company is not able to carry out all of this, so that in overcoming it by causing shortcuts and convenience to compete with competitors through supply chain management. The purpose of supply chain management is delivery of product on the time to satisfy consumers, reduce costs, increases company productivity in the supply chain through optimizing time, location, and flow of material quantities. Supply chain management is very important to do to expedite the production process and marketing process to meet consumer needs. In order for supply chain control to be activity, it is necessary to have a smooth flow of information and mutual trust between parts, be it suppliers, companies, and consumers. The advantage of supply chain management is that a company can manage the flow of goods or product in a supply chain flow by applying a network of production and distribution activity from which a company can work together to meet consumer demands. In a company to achieve achieve a match and efficient in companies competitive strategy with supply chain partners is very important. A company can understand how to improve supply chain performance and efficiency. The company must have four key drive in the supply chain, namely 1. Facilities. The facility in the supply chain is a place where products are produced, stored, and shipped. Facilities at the supply chain have two main types, namely on the production side on the strong side. This facility will affect shipping costs, responsiveness to marketing, and the amount of inventory because the supply chain must requiring supporting facilities because it can facilitate transition with the company. 2. Inventory. Inventory is raw materials, manufacturing process, and finished goods owned by the company. 3. Transportation. Transport on the supply chain is used to transfer levels in the existing supply chain. 4. Information. Information contains data and analysis facilities, inventory, transportation, and customers related to the supply chain. Okay, so here my explanation about CRM and CCM. If there is a word or writing error, please forgive. Thank you.